And it ain't making a mistake, no, it's 100% sure. The feeling that I'm running with, it couldn't be more pure. You might be sitting by the riverbed, scratching your head. You might be laying in a gazebo somewhere, wishing you were dead. I got it figured out, it's getting harder to make plans. The thing that's glowing under my feet is something that you will never ever understand. Cause there'll be lovers with attitudes, when criminals be nice, people being rude. They don't expect the unexpected like I expected. I think I'm better than you, motherfucker, there I said it. I got it twisted and thrown around, that's my perspective. But I can also take it down, time like a detective. You talk to me like I'm a friend, but are you seeing things? You can see sound waves in the air because they follow me. And it comes from not giving a fuck about your opinions. I got a couple lines left, just give me a minute. They see